Approved discovery notes may contain everything needed for a proposal, but converting those notes into a clear draft takes time. An unstructured chatbot can make the problem worse by inventing scope, deliverables, dates, prices, responsibilities, or promises. A reliable proposal worker must use only confirmed information and keep every unresolved detail visible. In this tutorial, we will create a reusable proposal first draft worker in Claude. We will submit approved discovery notes, generate a structured proposal, compare the result with the source, test incomplete notes, and save proposal first draft.md. The finished result remains pending human review. The worker follows a fixed contract. It uses only supplied discovery notes. It includes scope, deliverables, dates, prices, and responsibilities only when they are explicitly confirmed. Missing terms use an information required placeholder. The worker never recommends pricing, adds unsupported services, or describes the proposal as final or sent. Our approved example is for North Star Consulting Group. The client wants a documented onboarding workflow using its existing tools. The notes confirm 6 scope items, 6 deliverables, 5 exclusions, a September timeline, a fixed fee of $2,400, a payment schedule, and responsibilities for both parties. Now submit the approved notes to the tested proposal first draft worker. This is a simulated demonstration based on the verified Claude procedure. The worker creates the required proposal sections, preserves the confirmed fee and timeline, and leaves the result pending human review. Human review checks every proposal term against the source notes. The draft must retain the 6 approved scope items, the 6 deliverables, all exclusions, the exact September milestones, the $2,400 fee, the payment schedule, and the responsibilities. It must not add CRM work, automation, legal terms, guarantees, or new services. A reliable worker must also handle incomplete notes. In this test, a checklist, status tracker, email automation, and a CRM were discussed but never approved. Scope, deliverables, dates, pricing, and responsibilities are missing. The worker must keep those decisions unresolved rather than turning them into proposal terms. The workflow is complete when every proposal term matches the approved discovery notes. Missing information remains visible, the human review checklist is present, and the final status is pending human review. Save the verified result as proposalfirstdraft.md. Reuse the same worker with future approved discovery notes without rewriting its instructions.